Hey guys, welcome to the channel. We're out here in the carving tent getting ready to carve up a first for me. I had a request for this somewhere in a video. Somebody said, hey, have you ever carved one of these? I said no, so I thought I would today, and that's going to be a Highland cow. It's not going to be, exact or perfect, but this will be my first one, and I thought I'd video it for you guys because I plan on making a few and seeing how they sell, and if anybody wants to learn and they come out well, then we'll do a tutorial, and I think we'll offer it to the members first, and then sometime down the road we'll make that one public. But yeah, if you guys like it at the end, let me know, and I'll work on that tutorial. Before I get the saws running though, it is about 10 degrees today. It's cold out here. Got this little heater on low just to keep my fingers warm. The batteries on the GoPro are dying really quick today, and yeah, it's just cold. It's cold out here. We're going to be running the MS-170 with a quarter pitch sprocket, 14-inch bar with quarter pitch chain, and we're going to be running the MS-193C with a quarter pitch sprocket, dime tip bar from steel, quarter pitch chain. Both are 43 gauge chains. So I've got my jaw horse here. I've got a small quartered piece of pine about 4 inches deep, 6 inches across, and honestly, I'm just going to go for it. I looked at some pictures, I've looked at some art, and I think my goal for the Highland cow is to do something similar to the Alaskan cow, the moose. So I think we're going to do something similar to the small moose that I've been doing and selling. That's going to be the plan. Now, if you're someone who's like, man, I really want to buy a piece, something that Kyle carved, you can totally do that. I have links down below to my Etsy shop. I'm currently working on a Shopify store because I can connect it right here to YouTube, but for now we're going to continue to use the Etsy shop. I think I've got some moose on there, some little bears, cardinals. I've got a bunch of cardinals on there, and a whole bunch of other stuff that I've handmade. And if these cows go well, we'll start putting them on there as well. So enough of that. Let's start running some saws, and be sure to give me a thumbs up, hit subscribe, hit that bell, hit all, because this channel's been growing in leaps and bounds, and it's all because you guys, and I seriously do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much. Let's get started.
Alright guys, just want to put this out there. If you're a member to the channel, there is a playlist for you specifically. Doesn't matter what tier you're at. I have made a video, members only video, how to carve that moose I just showed a few minutes ago. Walking you guys through that, talking price point. It's 2 camera angles, full step by step. This is going to be a members only tutorial for that moose carving. So if you're a member, be sure to check it out. I know we're at 11 members right now, so that's really awesome, and that video is for you guys. Anybody looking to be a member, you guys can check out that join button on my main landing page here on YouTube. You guys click that, you'll see it just says join or become a member. You can go check it out, see what that's all about. If you decide to be a member, you'll have access to that video, and we'll see what the feedback is on this Highland cow. And potentially it'll be another members video carving this guy up. If you guys want to learn how to carve a bear or some other things, be sure to check out the beginners playlist, full step-by-step 2 camera angle tutorials to help you guys out with your chainsaw carving journey. Appreciate you guys watching, and thank you.
Guys, well, here he is, my first Highland cow. Now, he did fall out of the jaw horse, and we broke a horn. That's all right. We'll glue it up, though. We'll let this guy sit. I hit him with a torch real quick off camera. Battery died, so I had to throw a new one in. It's something quick, something fun. Like I said, though, if you guys are interested in a small, shippable piece, let me know, or just check out links to the Etsy store down in the description below. If you're interested in a bigger piece, I'm located in upstate New York, so you can reference to where you are from there. Things can be delivered or picked up depending on size. We can always make an arrangement. Feel free to reach out. You guys can always send me an email or hit me up through Instagram. Members. We just jumped to 11 members on the channel. You guys are awesome. If you guys don't know what being a member is, you can see the join button on the main page of my YouTube channel. The main, page there somewhere. It'll say like join. You can click that and go see what being a member is all about. Mostly it's showing your support for the channel and the work that I do, and I greatly appreciate it. In another video, I said I was going to get more content out for members only, people who have joined up, regardless to the tier. I think it doesn't matter what tier you're at. I want to make it available for everybody. And I do appreciate all of you that are at multiple tiers. Like, thank you guys so much. You help support the channel directly. You help support myself and what I do by being a member. So you guys really, really are awesome. As of lately, the channel has been growing in leaps and bounds. I'm watching the views go up like crazy. I mean, I think we had 800 subscribers last month, which was astronomical, absolutely astronomical for this channel. So that's just so cool. But if you guys think this is cool, comment below, let me know. And I'm gonna hone it in. This is the first one, right? I want to do a few more, and I think I'll do a tutorial for the members. Members, you'll get that first. You'll have it probably for a few weeks, just you guys, so you can start working on these. And then either we'll make that public, or we'll do a public one later on in the year. I don't know. I want to be able to kind of give members an early access to some new different stuff. So again, I really do appreciate all of you. Thank you to everybody who's given me a thumbs up and hit subscribe. You guys really, really are awesome. And hey, don't forget to enter for your chance to win the Stihl MS-170. There's a video on here, and I'll try to have it popping up right here at the end. You're going to need to go watch that to see how to enter for a chance to win the brand new Stihl MS-170 I've got. I didn't forget. Check it out. Really appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you later. Bye.